Welcome to Flippin' Rejects with me, Shane. This week, I picked up these metal whiskey barrel rings off an internet marketplace. Over the next couple videos, I plan on flipping those and turning them into cool home decor items. Hope you stick around for both. Let's get started. To start off, I'm using the last piece of this walnut slab that's been a part of so many of my projects. Just marking it off and getting ready to cut it out on the bandsaw. After cutting it to shape on the bandsaw, I'm using an angle grinder with a wood carving wheel just to knock off all the bark and bring it down to a point where I can start carving it. Here I've just drawn out some lines to kind of carve out a design that I liked, and I think it's turning out really well. This is a long and slow process, but sanding it down from 60 grit to 320 took what seemed like all day. After sanding, I'm just giving it a quick test fit and measure out to where I can drill the center hole for the clock mechanism. Here I'm just drilling out the center hole for the clock mechanism. Then I'll turn it over and clear out the excess material using a Forstner bit. First, I'm just marking off the shape of the clock mechanism. That way I'll know where to drill. After clearing out most of the area with the Forstner bit, I still had some areas that I needed to clean out with the chisel. Here I'm using a dark walnut oil just to darken up the look of the light sapwood. And here I'm just using a scratch pad on the whiskey barrel hoop itself. I didn't want to take off all of the patina, I just wanted to remove the surface rust. One last fit and on to final assembly. Here I'm using about 2.5 inch wood screws just to kind of give it some meat to hold this clock together. Insert the clock mechanism, put the hands on, and this thing is ready to go. Remember asking if you wanted one. I don't understand why you're so hostile. Oh, hey. Just enjoying some ice cream out on the front porch with this whiskey barrel hooped clock you guys just watched me build. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button. If you really like it, hit that bell and you'll get a notification email every time I get some item and flip it into something awesome. So y'all go out and have a great day. Go make something awesome. You're questioning everything?